This video shows how to make a Swiss roll. A number of food skills are used, such as measuring, sifting, whisking, lining a tin, spreading, rolling up, and using the oven. Prepare the ingredients and get the equipment ready. Line an 18 by 30 cm Swiss roll tin. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees C or gas mark 6. Place the sugar and eggs into a large mixing bowl. Using an electric hand whisk, whisk the eggs and sugar together until they are thick, creamy, and white. It's important to be very careful when using an electric hand whisk so that fingers or long hair do not get caught in the beaters. It should leave a trail of mixture over the top when ready. Sift the flour into the bowl using the side of your hand to help. Then, using a metal spoon, gently cut through the mixture and fold it over in one smooth action. Repeat the folding action until all the flour and any other ingredients, such as cocoa powder, are combined. Pour the mixture into the lined Swiss roll tin, using a spatula to make sure you remove everything from the bowl. Gently move the tray around so that the cake mix covers the tin. Using oven gloves, place the tin into a preheated oven for 8 to 10 minutes until golden brown and firm to the touch. Make sure not to overcook the cake mix at this stage. Whilst the Swiss roll is baking, place a piece of greaseproof paper on the work surface and sprinkle the extra sugar on top. Then warm the jam in a microwave for between 10 and 15 seconds. Remove the Swiss roll using oven gloves and turn off the oven. Tip the Swiss roll onto the sugared paper, then peel off the lining paper from the back. Spread the warm jam over the Swiss roll with a palette knife. Roll it up, using the paper to help you. Allow the Swiss roll to cool, then serve. Remember, preheat the oven. Whisk the eggs and sugar until thick and creamy. Be very careful when using an electric hand whisk. Gently fold in the flour using a cutting and turning action. Use oven gloves. Make sure not to overcook the cake mixture. Tip the roll onto sugared paper. Spread with warm jam. Roll up the Swiss roll and serve.